G'day guys, it's James at Workshop Software. How you doing? It's the 30th of June, happens to be the end of financial year here in Australia. And for everyone else in the world, good for you. It's the middle of the year, time to reflect maybe, and that's why I wanted to just bring you this quick video because, you know, it's the middle of the year. We're reflecting on the last 12 months about what's happened with Workshop Software, and, you know, going through with a couple of my key team members about what's happened has been pretty astonishing, really. We've done so many amazing things, done a lot of help for a lot of the team as well, grown the team quite a lot, grown the application, and certainly I think that anyone who's maybe been with us for a little period of time I hope you've actually seen a real great improvement in our customer service. We've worked really hard in how we deliver our product, not only that, so how it's performing as a product, how it's performing as in terms of things like uptime, being available to you all the time, being run fast and efficient and effective. And I hope you've seen some improvements in that area, and certainly with the team, which we've grown substantially over the last 12 months, which has been a fantastic growth area for us, including areas in our customer service area. We've evolved in marketing, we've evolved in management, and we've greatly evolved in the development area as well. So we were able to deliver more things to you, and that's partly why I wanted to deliver this video for you today too, because one of the things that we've got coming, or a couple of things that we've got coming, is super exciting too. So just reflecting on what is actually going to happen in the future too is something that's pretty exciting. So, you know, it's one of those things where it's always a good time in your business, or there are times in your business where you want to just have a look back and go, what have I done? You know, where have I come from? What have I achieved? And what's happened? And, you know, for us, particularly in these very turbulent times of COVID, we've seen substantial growth. We're really excited and pumped about it, and we're really excited and pumped about what the future holds as well. You might have seen the business intelligence update, which has been phenomenal. The feedback that we've gotten from that has been amazing. You might want to watch my $10,000 to charity video. I think that's well worth watching because, you know, that's a world first, and, you know, we're very proud of delivering that as well. We've got a couple of other really cool updates, including the way the invoice look and feel, which is very exciting, and a new way for you to get payments even quicker and more effectively from your customers. So that's coming out real soon too. But we've got some other exciting things coming in the pipeline from a development and a team expansion point of view as well. So yeah, look, it's been an amazing year. I just wanted to give you my heartfelt thanks because, you know, as of course any business doesn't exist without its customers, and for you guys to be there for us, and for those of you who have been around for a while, I really appreciate for you going through maybe some of the more challenging times and some of the good times. And look, don't get me wrong, I think, you know, we've always provided really great service, and I think we've provided a great application, but we've certainly improved that, and we will continue to improve it as well. So yeah, just wanted to say Happy New Year if you happen to be in Australia. Middle of the year, end of the quarter, of course, for anyone else. Good time to reflect and maybe do the same thing in your business. But really appreciate your custom over the past 12 months, and please stay tuned. We're going to got some very, very exciting things coming in the not too distant future, and indeed for the next 12 months coming on. So really appreciate it, guys. Take care, stay safe in these challenging times, and if there's anything you need, please reach out. Thanks.